Hello everyone, welcome to your favorite cat pet journal quantifiers again. My name is Sahil Arora and आज के सेट में we are back with कौन बनेगा करोड़पति remix. Alright, this set is somewhat based on that and before I move to that set like always I say uh, हमारा नया बैच start होने वाला है and if you like the way we teach and you like the pedagogy, please you can subscribe to our cat course and you can have the best ever mentorship that you can find. Now, in their city they name it billionaire. All right, the Kaun Banega Crorepati, and that comes on Tony instead of Sony. Right. Now what is given to us that a participant had to answer a question and win some prizes to move on to the next question. Right, पहले का जवाब दो दूसरे पे जाओ, दूसरे का जवाब दो तीसरे पे जाओ. The 15th question will be the grand prize, will win a grand prize of 3 crore. So जो 15th question है that is winning you 3 crore. All right. The chart below shows the factor by which the money grows from one question to another question, right? A very simple thing, yet an interesting part, which means that on 15th question, money is multiplied or grown by a factor of 2, which means on the 14th question, the money would be 1.5 crore, all right? So here it was 1.5 crore and it grew by a factor of 1.5, which means here it was 1 crore. It grew by a factor of 2 means here it was 50 lakhs and so on and so forth. इस तरीके से हमने उसको बताया हुआ है. All right. The dotted line represents the stage that if a contestant correctly answers at least 5 questions, he will get an assured prize. All right. So this point and this point are the points of assured prize. What does that mean? What does that mean? If a contestant is quitting, see, if a contestant is finishing the game, there are only two ways. अगर एक contestant गेम को खत्म कर रहा है तो दो ही तरीके हैं. या तो वो खुद क्विट करेगा if he is quitting, और he has answered the wrong question, या उसने गलत क्वेश्चन जवाब दे दिया. All right. Now, अगर उसने नाइन्थ क्वेश्चन पे क्विट करा, if the contestant is quitting on ninth question, he will win the prize that is eligible at eighth question. राइट, मान लो कि एट्थ क्वेश्चन पे 1 लाख रुपया मिलना था हाइपोथेटिकली, और वो नाइन्थ क्वेश्चन पे 5 लाख मिलना था, पर उसने नाइन्थ क्वेश्चन पे क्विट कर दिया, उसको जवाब नहीं आता था. देन ही विल गेट 1 लाख. ऑलराइट. And if in case he gives the ninth one wrongly, and if he gives the wrong answer, then he will fall back to the prize money of fifth question. Let us call it 25,000. तो उसको 25,000 मिलेंगे उस केस में. All right, which means fifth question is somewhat promising you the assured prize, that if the person is giving the wrong answer on sixth, seventh, eighth, or ninth, he will surely get back to the home with this amount of money. Just like that happens in Kaun Banega Crorepati. Right. Before that, now let us determine the prices that we have: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. 15 is 3 crore and the multiplier is 2, which means here it is 1.5 crore. Multiplier is 1.5, so here it is 1 crore. Multiplier is 2, which means 50 lakh. Before that, multiplier is 2, so 25 lakh. Before that, the multiplier is on 11th question, the multiplier is 2.5, which means 10 lakh. All right. Again 2.5, which means 4 lakh, because 4 lakh into 2.5 is 10 lakh, 10 lakh into 2.5 is 25 lakh. All right. So 8, the multiplier is 2, so 2 lakh. Before that, again 1, so 1 lakh. Sorry. So sixth question will bring you 50k. Fifth question is bringing us how the multiplier of, all right, so fifth question is 25k. 25k was after multiplying by 2.5, so 10th will be 10k. It was by 2, so it was 5k, 2k, and 1000. All right, k represent thousand, l represent lakh, cr represent crores. All right. So these are the prize money. Now again after that there are the conditions. What are the conditions that we have? The conditions are uh, the channel head participant and analyzes the performance of 10 participants: Vijay, Alina, Mittal, Prachi, Shobha, Sanya, Nicole, Bhavya, Nirav and Taruna. During these the show got the best TRPs. All right. तो इन 10 की उन्होंने उसको एनालाइज किया परफॉर्मेंस को. All right. So let's move to that part. All right. So when they analyzed, what did they find? They find that the total prize money given to these 10 contestants was 25 crore. So जो भी total prize money थी 10 contestants की, This was 2.5 crores. All right. Two of every five gave a wrong answer. So two out of every five gave a wrong answer. So अगर पांच contestant थे तो पांच में से दो ने गलत आंसर दिया. Two of them gave the wrong answer, which means three of them quit. All right. So if two out of five is giving the wrong answer, which means out of 10, four must have given the wrong answer, right? पांच में से अगर दो लोगों ने wrong दिया तो 10 में से चार ने दिया होगा. Simple as that. All right. So if there are 10 people, so there are four saying the wrong answer, and there are six people who are intelligent enough and quitting the job. All right, all right. Okay. So basically, uh, had they answered it correctly but quit on the next question, so they are answering some questions correctly and they are quitting on the next question, then they would have won 17.6 lakh more. So instead of 2.5 crore, they could have won 2 lakh 67, 2.67 करोड़ में, राइट. ठीक है, 2 करोड़ 50 लाख जीते, उनको 17 लाख 60 हजार रुपया और मिल सकता था, 17.6 लाख मोर मिल सकता था उन्हें. ऑल राइट, 17.6 लाख, which means what kind of table should I form? What kind of table should I form? I should be thinking that there are some contestants 1 to 10. All right, out of these 10 contestants there are some there are some correct answers, there are some wrong answers, so there are some people who are quitting, there are some people who are giving the wrong answer. So this is one tab in which I will represent their I can say status, right, in which they are giving the right and the wrong answer, their names that I have. All right, I have information about which question was answered correctly, which question was answered correctly. So which question did they answer correctly? Last question answered right by them. All right, all right. After that, I should be worried about the, see, they won something, right? Prize money was won, and then there was some potential prize money. There was some potential prize money. Potential prize money means it is returned to us. Now that if they have not given the answer wrong, they would have won 17.6 lakhs more. तो मतलब कि शायद what do they want to say, that there is some candidate who could have quit on, let us say, 7th क्वेश्चन. एक कैंडिडेट ऐसा था जो 7वें क्वेश्चन पे क्विट कर सकता था, तो उसको उतना प्राइस मिलता जितना 6वें क्वेश्चन का मिलना था, लेकिन उसको अब मिला कितना, सिर्फ 5th. अगर उन सबने क्विट करा होता तो ये होता. So this is the kind of table I will form. Right. So now let's go on the part where we will answer the question. I know that 4 people have given it wrong and 6 people have quit. All right. So I have sanitized the information here. I know that there are 4 people who have given the wrong answers, right? And there are 6 people who have quit. This is the price that they were expecting. All right. Or the price per question. All right. All right. So prize money is something, prize one. Last question answer is something. Now, no one, they earned a total of 2 crore 50 lakhs. All right, so they earned a total of 2 crore 50 lakhs. All right, so they earned a total of 2 crore and 50 lakhs. All right, and they could have earned how much? They could have earned 17 lakh 60,000 more. So they could have actually earned this much amount of money, 2 crore 67 lakh 60,000. All right, so this is the potential winning that they have. All right, all right. Now let's read. No one earned the grand prize, but no one earned. So no one is winning 3 crores, but Sanya earned more than everyone else combined. So Sanya alone is earning more than everybody combined. So उसका अकेली का share उन सबसे ज़्यादा है. So if they are all earning X, she alone is earning more than X, right? She alone is earning more than X. So what does that mean? That her prize money, and since she is not winning the grand prize, which means the possibility is 1 crore 50 lakhs. Because if I am keeping it 1 crore for Sanya, it would be 1 crore 50 lakh for others. But which means that Sanya was at 1 crore 50 lakhs. And what must be the status of Sanya? She must have quit, right? Because अगर सान्या ने गलत जवाब दिया होता तो वो 10 लाख पे वापस आ जाती, all right? But she is quitting. So Sanya has given. So let us say Sanya is somewhere. Let us say Sanya को यहाँ place कर देते हैं. Sanya is quitting, and Sanya ने last question कौन सा आंसर दिया? Right. Since she won 1 crore 50 lakhs, so she has answered the 14th question correctly, right? and she won 1.5 crore, and she could have won 1.5 crore. So there is no gap in the, there is no potential earning here, right? 1.5 crore is the final winning for Sanya. All right, all right. Read the next point very carefully. Half the contestants were sure to get the second level assured prize. All right. So 10 में से 5 contestant ऐसे थे, half of the candidates, which means let us say the 5 candidates were such who were assured to get the second level prize, which means who were very very sure that they have won the second level prize, which means there were 5 candidates who won 10 lakh or more, right? There were 5 candidates who won 10 lakh or more, because there are 5 contestants who are winning, who were sure to get the second level assured prize. Some of them might have won more than that, otherwise they were assured of winning the second level, right? But only Shobha got it without quitting. But only Shobha won the second level without quitting. What does that mean? That means that Shobha must have answered something wrong. इसका मतलब क्या होगा कि शोभा ने कुछ गलत जवाब दे दिया होगा, एंड उन 5 में से there is only Shobha who is giving the wrong answer. Rest all of them are quitting, because it is given to us that only Shobha got it without quitting. तो शोभा ने गलत दिया, बाकी चारों ने क्विट कर दिया, और बाकी 5 लोग टोटल थे जिनको 10 लाख या 10 लाख से ज्यादा मिलना था. ऑलराइट. तो शोभा ने कौन सा आंसर गलत किया वो तो मुझे नहीं पता. सो बट आई एम प्रीटी श्योर दैट शी वुड हैव वॉन 10 lakh. She would have won 10 lakh because she gave a wrong answer. All right. And she fell to the second level assured prize. All right. All right. All right. Now, okay. Taruna answered the fewest question and took home no money. So Taruna answered and win no money. So zero money. How much she could have won, I don't know. All right. All right. Prachi and a person exactly answered 11 questions correctly. So there are 2 people we are talking about. Who are those 2 people? Prachi and someone else. They both answered 11th correct. They both answers 11 correct exactly. Exactly. Which means none of them answered the 12th correctly. None of them answered the 12th correctly. दोनों ने ही 12th को correct नहीं किया. But Prachi quit. But Prachi had quit. So Prachi ने 12th question quit कर दिया. यानी कि Prachi के साथ जो था, whosoever was with Prachi, that person did not quit. That person gave the 12th answer wrong, and 12th answer is on the second level. And I know that out of the 5 contestants there was only one contestant, that was Shobha, who has done the mistake, or who has given the wrong answer after the second level. And which question it must be? It must be 12th question, because only 2 people gave 11 correctly, and out of those 2 Prachi did quit, which means the other person was wrong, so that must be Shobha. All right. सो शोभा ने अपना आखिरी आंसर कौन सा दिया? शोभा ने अपना 12th क्वेश्चन आखिरी आंसर दिया, जो कि उसने रॉन्ग दिया था, राइट. बट अगर वो सही दे देती, अगर वो मतलब तो सॉरी, प्राची ने अपना क्या किया, 12th किया था, तो उसकी प्राइज मनी कितनी थी? 25 लाख, राइट. शी कुड हैव वॉन 25 लाख potentially, but she fell down to 10 lakh. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड दिस थिंग, कि अगर उसने 12th क्वेश्चन को गलत ना करा होता, राइट. अब व्हाट इज द पोटेंशियल अर्निंग? पोटेंशियल अर्निंग इज दैट अर्निंग व्हिच वी आर गेटिंग विदाउट फॉलिंग एट सम प्लेस. यानी कि अगर उसने 12th क्वेश्चन गलत ना करा होता और उसने क्विट कर दिया होता, व्हिच मींस she would have taken home the money which was valid on 11th question, which means she would have taken home 25 lakh. But since she did wrong, she took home only 10 lakh. All right. Okay. So this was the 12th was the last question answered by Shobha, but that was the wrong one. That was the wrong one. Which means Prachi was, Prachi I now know is here. Answered 11th correctly. Prachi has answered 11 correctly. All right. And Prachi could have won 25 lakh. Prachi did win 25 lakh. All right. So this is the case about Prachi. All right. Alina and Nirav quit on 10th and 13th. So Alina quit. Nirav also quit on 10th and 13th. So Alina quit on 10th. Nirav quit on 13th. So Alina quit on 10th means that the last answer that Alina gave was 9th. Right. Sorry. आई हैव टू राइट द राइट आंसर हियर कि लास्ट उन्होंने कौन सा आंसर किया था. 10th उन्होंने आंसर नहीं किया था, दैट इज व्हाई आई एम राइटिंग 9. And similarly, since Nirav quit on 13th, which means the last answered by Nirav was 12th. Last answered by Nirav was 12th. So now Elena, Elena could have won 4 lakh. Elena did win 4 lakh. Similarly, Nirav could have won 50 lakh. Nirav did win 50 lakh. All right, all right, all right, all right. So the gap is 17 lakh 60,000. Okay. So now there are 4 people left. Mittal answered one question more than Vijay but earned the same prize money. All right. So Mittal answered one question more than Vijay correctly. All right. But earned the same. Or all right. So they Mittal did fell. Did Mittal did fall. All right. Okay. Had Mittal not made a mistake, अगर मित्तल ने गलती ना करी होती, which means Mittal made a mistake. Mittal made a mistake. He would have earned half as much as Alina, and also it is given that Vijay did not quit, so Vijay also gave the wrong answer. Now Mittal could have won half as much as Alina, which means Mittal could have won how much? Mittal could have won 2 lakh. Mittal could have won 2 lakh, but but he gave this answer wrong. He gave this answer wrong. All right, which means he fell down to how much? He fell down to the base price, that is 25,000. ऑलराइट, ठीक है. मित्तल ने अगर गलत जवाब ना दिया होता तो वो एलिना से हाफ जीत जाता, यानी 2 लाख जीत जाता. राइट, और 2 लाख कितने में मिलते हैं? 8th में मिल जाते हैं, यानी मित्तल ने 8th गलत किया. एंड सिंस मित्तल आंसर्ड वन मोर देन विजय, सो विजय आंसर्ड 7th इन राउंड. राइट, so Vijay could have won how much? Vijay could have won 1 lakh. All right, and also Vijay won how much? Vijay also won 25,000. So now the only 2 people left are Bhavya and Nicole, and it was given to me that Bhavya earned more than Nicole. All right. So this is the earning. This is the earning by them. How much is it? 1.5 crores, 25 lakh, 25 and 15, 20, 75, 79, 89, 1.5, 2.39, 2.39. All right. Now, now the deficit between them, the deficit between the price, that is, they have now together won 2 crore 39 lakh 50,000. They could have won 2 crore 50 lakh. All right. Sorry, they won this much. They won this much as of now. They could have won 2 crore 50 lakh, which means how much more money they could have won? They could have won 10 lakh 50,000 more. Right. Now these two people earned together 10 lakh 50,000 more, but but they did not quit, right? So they did not give the wrong answer. So they did quit, which means adding any two things should make 10 lakh 50,000. So 1,000 no, 2,000 no, 5,000 no, 10,000 no, 50,000. Okay, 50,000 plus 10 lakh is one possible combination. 1 lakh 9 no, 2 no, 4 no, this no. The only possibility is 50,000 plus 10 lakh. अब उन दोनों ने देखो जवाब हमारा वो तो दिया नहीं, गलत तो दिया नहीं, उन्होंने क्विट किया. क्विट किया मतलब कि जितनी प्राइस जीतनी चाहिए थी उतनी प्राइस वो जीत के गए हैं. यानी कि अब अगर दो लोग मिलके कुछ प्राइस जीत के गए हैं और वो प्राइस मिलके 10,50,000 है, तो एक ही कॉम्बिनेशन बन रहा है 10 लाख प्लस 50,000, और कुछ बन ही नहीं रहा. एंड सिंस भव्या अर्नड मोर, सो भव्या वॉन 10 लाख, सॉरी 10 लाख, एंड निकोल विन 50,000. Now Nicole won 50,000. Right, so they did win this also. So this was nothing different. So भव्या ने आखिरी आंसर कौन सा दे दिया अपना? भव्या ने अपना आखिरी आंसर 10 लाख के लिए दिया होगा ये 10th. All right, 10th. So भव्या ने दे दिया 10th and no. Sorry, भव्या ने कौन सा दिया? या भव्या ने 10th and निकोल ने कौन सा दिया 50,000 के लिए? 6th. All right. So this is the answer given by them. All right. Now the only person left is this. Can we fetch this somehow? Yes, we can. How? See, now I have all the data with me of potential earning and the otherwise. I know आई नो दैट द पीपल हु क्विट, जिन लोगों ने क्विट किया उन्होंने पोटेंशियल अर्निंग में कोई डिफरेंस नहीं डाला होगा, ऑलराइट, because Sanya could have won 1.5 crore, Sanya did win 1.5 crore, which means there was no difference due to her. Difference was only due to these four people. So this person has a deficit. So this person has a deficit of 1,75,000. This person 75,000. So 2.5 lakh. This person is 15,000. So up to this point, 1.75, 2.5, 2.65. All right. And 2.65 and they can win 10,000 more, यानी कि उनको 10,000 और जीत सकते थे in order to produce the potential this. इसका और इसका जो गैप था हमारा, अगर मैं इन तीनों के मुकाबले देखूं तो they have to win 10,000 more in order to produce the potential difference given in the question, which mean that she give the 10,000 वाला answer wrong, which mean the last question answered by her was fourth question. The last question answered by her was. Now, how many did Elena give correctly? Elena gave the 9 questions correctly. All right. On 10th, she did quit. All right. Now, what were Nicole's and Vijay's total combined earnings? Nicole and Vijay total. So 50,000 plus 25, 75,000. What is the value of n if Vijay answered the nth question incorrectly? Vijay, 7th, he answered incorrectly. So Vijay's answer is 7th. All right. By what amount did Sanya's earning exceeded the rest of the people? So Sanya alone was 1.5 crores. The rest of them was 1 crore. So the answer is 50 lakhs. Right. So this completed our set, a very interesting one. But again, it has some testament. So it is a very interesting one. Right. I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.